Hey, everybody, welcome back. I'm so glad to have you join us for a very special hand presented by our wonderful teacher, Marla Lawson, one of the most loved, respected teachers teaching based out of New York, but also teaching online. So, yeah,
No.
Marla, you told me that something special happened pretty recently.
Oh, yes. This was the thrill of my bridge life. First ever bid and made 7 no Trump.
My gosh. My
Yes.
gosh. Let's see it.
Okay.
It happened. They're
It happened
real.
right here.
A unicorn in the wild.
Right. And this happened at a tournament. I was
Yeah.
playing at a regional tournament, and my opponents were also like, wow. But so you pick up this hand, right? I've
Yeah.
got, all right, this looks pretty nice. I've got 21 high card points, and I'm already thinking, well, with that nice diamond suit, this is definitely worth a 2 club opening. And then my partner pipes up with an opening of 1 heart.
Yeah.
Oh, as I tell all my students, I think, when the bidding, you got to answer a couple of questions. Do we have a game?
Yeah.
Do we have a fit? And
Yeah.
sometimes, do we have a slam? And I thought,
Yeah.
do we have a game? Well, yes, because partners got at least, I mean, on a bad day, like a good 11, but probably 12 points, and I've got 21. Do
Yeah.
we have a fit? Yes, because
Yeah.
partner's promising 5 hearts, and I've got ace third.
Yeah.
Do we have a slam? Quite probably. I mean, I'm already thinking, oh, this is a slam. And for a split second, I was like, oh, bid 6 hearts, and then I said, no,
I was going
there's
to
no
ask, were you
need.
tempted to?
There's no need to jump right into 6 hearts. Let's go slow. And because we play 2/1,
Yeah.
I started with a game forcing 2 diamonds. But even if you don't play 2/1, it seems like 2 diamonds would be the logical place to start because you have a fine diamond suit.
Just to
And then,
quickly interject, for folks who are interested by that forcing two diamond 2/1 bid, if you'd like to learn more about 2/1 bidding, it's what more and more people around the world are realizing can be the most effective bidding system. Marla's lessons, I cannot recommend them enough, and we'll put a link below. Really learn, get a solid grasp on modern bidding. Anyway, sorry to interrupt, Marla. Keep
no,
going.
no problem. So yeah, so 2 diamonds, I mean, doesn't promise a suit this good. You might only have 3 of them, probably 4, but game forcing. So we're not stopping below game. That's the benefit of 2/1 is like we're not stopping below game, so we can go more slowly.
Right.
So now partner bids 2 spades. So I think,
Mhm.
okay, she should have at least 5 hearts, 4 spades, and I still don't know about her points. She could have 12. She could have, well, she can't have 20 because I have 21, but she could have 18. But I'm still, going to continue on.
Yeah.
So now I will bid 2 hearts. I
What
know
does
she
that
can't
say?
pass, but in this way, or 3 hearts, excuse me. 2 hearts is insufficient. 3 hearts to say we have a heart fit. And I know she can't pass.
And again, because of that two diamond bid, you can show the heart fit without fear that the bidding will peter out.
Right. And in fact, if I did jump right to 4 hearts, that would be a weaker bid, saying, okay, like I got game values for you, but nothing extra. So I just take it slow, and I'm like, okay, 3 hearts, I have a heart fit for you.
Yeah.
Tell me more.
Yeah.
And my partner was just kind of like, well, I'm not interested in it. I've got nothing else, so I'm signing off in 4 hearts.
That's saying I've told you what I have.
Right.
Probably five hearts, four spades, and 11, 12 points.
Probably 12, 13,
Twelve,
like a
13.
minimum opening
Right.
hand.
Okay. Right. Okay.
Yeah, nothing else special to say, like no
Okay.
controls to bid or whatever. Um, and also, I want to point out that the person I was playing with was a relatively newer player, and so she's just like, okay, 4 hearts, and I'm just thinking, we're not stopping
We're not
there.
stopping here.
And I bid for no trump to ask for key cards because we
Okay.
play Roman key card 1430.
Right.
So her response of 5 spades, so 1430. So with 1 or 4 key cards, the key cards are all the aces and the king of trump, 5 key cards. So 5 clubs would say 14 1 or 4 key cards.
Yeah.
5 diamonds is the 33 or 0 key cards. 5 hearts would say 2 key cards, no queen of trump. And her response, 5 spades, I have 2 key cards and I have the queen of trump, the queen of hearts, because hearts is trump. When I raised hearts, I'm saying hearts is trump.
Okay.
So I thought to myself, okay, I have 3 key cards. I have 3 aces. So
Yeah.
if she has 2, she has the ace of spades and the king of hearts. Those are the 2 missing key cards. And she also said she has the queen of hearts.
What a wonderful bid that is in telling us exactly what she has. We see here, perhaps us learners, we might rely on four no trumps, the simplified asking for aces too often. But here we see with Roman key card, we can get some really specific information, and
Yeah, which
finding out about that queen of hearts is essential here.
and so I'm looking at, and they say, oh, if you can count 13 tricks, bid 7. And I couldn't necessarily count 13 tricks, but I was just thinking to myself, I know I've got 3 heart tricks, ace, king, queen of hearts. I know
Right.
I've got the ace of spades.
Yeah.
I'm looking at the ace, king of clubs, and at least 4 diamond tricks. And I thought, I've got 6 diamonds, unless they break really unfavorably. I've probably got 6 diamond tricks. And I was wondering about, like the king of spades and the queen. And I just thought, she's got to have something. I mean, I've got all of this. She's got to have something else to have
Right.
opened the
Where
bidding.
are they going to be?
So I just said, and I think at the table I also said, I'm going for it. And I bid 7 no trump. And she almost fell over. And then she said, oh, you have to play it, because I was the first one to bid no trump with my artificial 4 no trump bid, asking for key cards.
So
And here's the beautiful dummy. I said, thank you so much.
oh
And it's practically lay down, or if
yeah,
it is lay
it
down,
is,
right?
isn't it?
She's got the queen of clubs. So we got 3 club tricks. We got 3 heart tricks. That's 6. We got a spade trick. That's 7. We don't even need to bother with the finesse, because as long as the diamonds break, I'm just going to run the diamonds. So first, win the queen of clubs, honors from the short side first. And then I just played the diamonds. Okay, everybody followed once.
All right, count
Everybody
along there.
followed twice.
Eight
Cling.
out. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, we're good, right?
Yep, I got the rest. So
How cool! How cool, Marla. What happened at other tables?
most of the other tables were in 6 hearts,
Oh,
making, I
that
think they
makes
make
it so much
7.
more satisfying, doesn't it?
But yes, I was just, when I saw it, I was like, oh my gosh, I think this is 7 no trump. And I paused because I was like, if I'm wrong, everyone else will be in a cold 6 heart contract and we'll go down and I'll feel like an idiot. But I just kept thinking to myself, she has to have something else. She has to have something else, like another king or queen somewhere. Like that, it has to work.
Right.
And I think I might have been the only one who bid
Wow.
7 no trump.
Wow. If
But
if you were to try to sum up, when should we, if we feel good about slam, when should we look for a grand slam? When should we consider it? And when shouldn't we?
well, as I said, I was advised, if you can count 13 tricks, bid 7.
Yeah.
I'm usually a huge chicken about bidding a grand because you have no margin for error.
Right.
So yeah, there's plenty of times when you can make 7, but I don't know if you can bid it. So I actually don't have good advice on that. Like, how do you know when you should look for a grand? I mean, basically, if you have all of the key cards,
Yeah.
then they usually think, okay, ask for the queen if you don't know about the queen,
Yeah.
ask for outside kings, and usually thinking you can safely stop in 6 if you don't have that little extra oomph to get you to 7. But I'm usually a big chicken.
But tread with caution because
Right.
things can. You don't want a beautiful slam hand to go belly up. Like, gosh, how amazing! That must have felt so good, Marla.
Oh my god! I mean, I don't remember much of anything else about the rest of the day, but I was on a complete high.
That's wonderful. Well, folks watching, please share your experiences. Maybe you remember your first time. You can leave it in the comments below. Maybe describe where you encountered it. If I've done it, I only got there irresponsibly in playing practice hands against robots, and so I don't think it counts. Um,
All it counts.
Folks, keep learning with Marla. There's a URL here and in the description, including some free videos you can find right here on stamen and transfers and next steps, what to do after stamen transfers. With so many of us learners, it can be tricky to know what to do after those. So I included a link there. Thank
All
you,
right.
Marla.
Well, thank you so much.
Bye, everyone. Till the next hand, take good care of yourselves.
Bye.